Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arlin. Thank you for Mr. Acep Haryudin MPD, my lecture. This time I will explain about Phonetics and Phonology course. Phonetics and phonology are two fundamental branches of linguistics that study the sounds of human language. They are closely related but deal with different aspects of speech sounds. Speech is a complicated process, and to study it requires a whole scientific subject, the science of phonetics. Phonetics is the study of the physical properties of speech sounds and how they are produced, transmitted, and perceived. It focuses on the articulation and acoustics of speech sounds without attaching any meaning to them. Phonetics classifies speech sounds into different categories based on their articulatory and acoustic properties. It is concerned with the following three main areas. Articulatory phonetics. This branch of phonetics examines how speech sounds are physically produced using the articulatory organs, such as the tongue, lips, vocal cords, and palate. Second, acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deals with the study of the physical properties of speech sounds as sound waves. It analyzes the frequencies, amplitudes, and duration of the sound. And the last one is auditory phonetics. This area focuses on how humans perceive speech sounds through their auditory system and how they interpret these sounds as meaningful language elements. Not only does the brain send out the commands necessary for producing speech, but is also constantly receiving feedback in the form of the sound of the speech that is being produced. When people are speaking, and this is why the science of phonetics has concentrated on the three central components of the speech chain above, where observation of what is going on is relatively straightforward. And now I will explain about phonology. Phonology, on the other hand, is concerned with the abstract mental representation of speech sounds in a particular language on how these sounds are organized and used to convey meaning. It deals with the study of sound patterns, phonemes, inventory, and the rules governing the distributions and combination of sounds in a language. Phonology is more about the underlying structures and patterns of speech sounds and their roles in creating meaningful words and sentences. Some key concepts in phonology includes 1. Phonemes. Phonemes is the smallest units of sounds in the language that can distinguish meaning. They are abstract representations of speech sounds and are contrastive, meaning that changing our phoneme for another can lead to a change in the meaning of words. The second is allophones. Allophones are the variant pronunciation of a phoneme in different contexts. They do not change the meaning of a word but are influenced by surrounding sounds and phonetic environments. And the third, phonological rules. These rules govern how phonemes and allophones behave and interact in a particular language. They determine the pronunciation variations based on factors such as stress, assimilation, elision, etc. And the summary phonetics deals with the physical properties of speech sounds, their productions, transmissions, and perception, while phonology deals with the abstract representation of speech sounds and their role in forming the structure and meaning of language. Together, these two branches provide insights into how humans produce and interpret language through sounds. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.